This is the Burstner Campeo C600 Black Forest Edition, a Fiat Ducato motorhome introduced originally for the 2023 season. It will cost nearly €80,000 in this state. Now, put up the bed so you can see how much space can be achieved when the bed goes up. There's plenty of videos with the bed down. In fact, nearly all the videos I have done show the bed when it's in its sleeping position. Look at all this space down here. This unit goes down here, so and the that will help you get into bed via this sort of step there, should you actually need it. You've got storage around the bed here, and there's also a bag over there. At the back, note that there are two windows in the doors. In here we have the toilet and with a basin, and you can see there's lots of space in here. Bear in mind, this is a 6-metre vehicle. On the other side we have got a sink, two burners, and of course there is storage under the kitchen block. Here we've got plugs, and there are also USBs in here as well. Coming to the front, we've got the semi-dinette. Naturally, the seats up front will turn round as well, so you have 4 people around the table. There is also storage above the table. Up here we have got the tent in the roof, and have left this open just to demonstrate that you use this to pull down the tent in one go when it is up. Let's have a look outside the vehicle. Or before we do that, of course, we can have a look at the fridge, which is here and there it is. It comes with an awning on the outside and a rather attractive Black Forest decal as well. Now, this vehicle is available. I'll give you a link to it below should you be interested, and there'll also be links to a longer video once I actually get around to doing it. But for the moment, thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Heilbronn, Germany.